Hello fellow YouTubers, and in today's episode in our workshop we have Carrera, which one is bicycle friend of mine. The bike just had a service, everything is done, everything is lubricated and put into the right place. What we can say about this bike: classic Carrera, chromo-molybden frame and fork, no suspension, no trouble, 7-speed at the back, cantilever brakes, 3-speed at the front. The bike was in very poor state, but at the moment everything is restored, serviced and put into the order. So as you see, the bike is ready to go and to be used and ride in this season. The bike survived really nice all those years in service. No major damage, nothing. 26 wheels, and yeah, let's quick walk through. It is not very expensive bike, but survive very nicely, and I'm guessing it's waiting a couple more years for him riding on a local road. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.